היי חמודים, מה שלומכם? טוב, so today you are going to watch a few videos and to do some work. So this video is about your project and the research question which you have to submit until the end of this day. So let's first of all ask, what is a research question? שאלת מחקר. It's a big thing and your entire project is based on your question. So you should find something that interests you, and in addition find something that you can have and see very easily a lot of material online. So let's go over a few general points for your work today. So in general, your research question must be something that you can explore, have statistics, and have examples. If you chose something that you cannot describe enough and you do not have the vocabulary to describe it, then your entire project, your entire work will be poor, and you want to have a very, very rich vocabulary and a lot of things to write about. So if you are choosing a certain event or a certain someone or a certain, I don't know, then you must have example statistics, a study material online that you can find, and not just copy paste but understand your main question and do it quite easily. So this is the first thing. Do not choose something that you won't find information of. The second thing is to not to write a question that has a really well-known answer. For example, are all, I don't know, it's very late in the evening. Are all things da da da, and then you will have a yes or no question. If your answer is a yes or no question, which brings me to the third one, or it has a really specific answer, then you will finish your paperwork in one paper. So you must have a question that is not a yes or no and not a well-known answer, so you can explore what you are looking for. That's why you want something that has consequences, השלכות, something that has very different impact on other people or on, several effects. And the last thing for you is, how to write your question. So 3 things that you need to know. Always start with the topic. Always present the topic first, and then at the end of the sentence you ask your question. For example, how has the actions of, I don't know, Rosa Parks influenced Black people in America? For example, this is a great topic for a project. If you haven't chosen a topic, you can use that. You take a certain someone who did something very famous, for example, Rosa Parks, Martin Luther King, there are many other people. How has influenced something else? Or it could even be a poet that you studied about last year. If you're choosing a person, if you're choosing an event that changed, or a certain date that an event happened, how has Martin Luther King's speech changed the way people, I don't know, treated Black people in America, for example. So you need to think what you want to gain in the end. What is your end game? What are you trying to learn? Something that is interesting, something that you will find information of, and it will be easy for you to do this project. So by the end of the day, you need to send me your research question, and all of you have to do it on your Google Classroom. בהצלחה!